Water pooling under your cabinet near the sink is a total pain, but fixing it doesn't have to be a nightmare if you know what to do. First off, check for any leaks under the sink because even a tiny drip can cause a puddle fast. Tighten up those pipe joints or replace worn-out washers if you spot any water escaping. Also, keep an eye on the drain lines. Sometimes they get clogged and slow down water flow, making it back up under your cabinet. Using a simple drain snake or a natural drain cleaner can clear that right up. Don't forget to inspect the sink basin itself. Cracks or chips can cause water to leak underneath. If your cabinet is wood, be sure to dry it out quickly because water damage spreads fast and can ruin your cabinets. You might want to place a waterproof mat or tray under the sink to catch any future drips. Lastly, make sure the sink's faucet and sprayer aren't leaking when you use them, because that can slowly drip water onto the cabinet floor too. One of the biggest mistakes people make with water pooling under cabinets near sinks is ignoring small leaks, which only get worse and cause mold or wood rot. Fix this by regularly checking under your sink and fixing leaks as soon as you spot them. Another common issue is clogged or slow drains that cause backups. Avoid this by keeping drains clear with regular maintenance and avoiding pouring grease down the drain. Lastly, many forget to protect their cabinets with waterproof liners or mats, which helps prevent long-term water damage, so adding one is a smart move. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to fixing plumbing and drainage problems. If you're a contractor, it's a great way to get work and build your reputation in your local area without all the hassle.